Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last week and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if we look at the chart, what you can see, a opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, so every level we have seen a support is being tested. Now if we look at the chart from 21 October, we have seen a uptrend has formed and we have seen that all the resistance being tested. So now we have seen that the price had moved in this particular zone, and this particular zone we have seen now it has moved upside after making a low of around 17,777. Okay, so what you have to understand looking at this chart. Okay, suppose if the price goes again to a level of 1790, then we can see a further fall in the price of gold. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical inscription you can join. Okay, so now let's go on the charts. Okay, so if we look at the chart, we have seen a continuous uptrend, but it is a slow and steady uptrend. Look at the chart, it's a slow and steady uptrend, but after that sharp rise in this particular zone, came down and now moving in this particular zone. Okay, so look at the chart, this is the particular range. Okay, it has moved upside range. So what you have to understand, suppose if we have seen that, I have already told you that there is a pattern forming in this particular zone and we can see further upside in the price of gold. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then chances are high we can see a level of, we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 1812.45. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1817.51. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1821. okay, and if from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1826. okay, these levels are already tested twice and thrice, so chances are high we can see a level of 1831 also, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see a level of 1840 also. okay, once 1840 is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1843. Once 1843 is touched, then there is a probability, and I've already told you that 1845 is an average, where if the price goes above this level, then we have seen 20-30 point upside or further upside, or if it goes below this level, but after touching at this level, we have seen a $20 or $30 down in the price of gold, or if it goes further low. If you look at the price, the price have gone below this level, okay, it has gone down. Price have gone above this level, we have seen a rise in the price of till 87. okay, now what we have seen that if it comes in this particular zone, we will see again further upside in the price of gold. okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1831, and from there we can see it can go into the level of 1842. from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1853, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1845. okay, from there, and if it goes above this level, then we can see chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1858. okay, once the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1864, and once this level is touched, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1872. okay, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 7. See, once the price goes above a level of 1832, then we can see it can further upside to a level of 1842, and from there we can see a level of 1852. okay, once the price goes above 1852, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1866 also, and then we can see a level of 1869, and then we can see a level of 1876. okay, once the price goes above this level 1876, we have seen that this price is not it's high. If we look at the price since August, the high we have seen has come after a point of June. okay, so once price comes close to around 1875, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1889 also, and can go further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 1805 Okay, so if the price goes below a level of 1804, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1797, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 1794. Okay, once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1787, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 1781. So if it goes below a level of 1787, it can go and touch a level of 1781, and from there we can see a level of 1776. Okay, so if the price goes below a level of 1776, then we can see it can further go touch a level of 1756. Okay, because all these levels are touched twice, the support being tested twice and thrice, so chances are high if it crosses this level 1756, then we can see it can go further low to a level of a level of 1742, and once 1742 is crossed downside, then we can see it can go to a level of 1720, and we can see a downtrend can come in the price of gold. Okay, and chances are high we can see a level of 1680 also. You can check my previous video where I already explained you that where all the price of gold can go. One important thing I wanted to tell you, that if you are trading with suppose $10,000, okay, once this price if you are in a profit of 300 to 500, any amount of profit you are making, but suppose if the price of $500 come down to your 100% profit comes down to 75 or 70%, please exit the trade for the day. This is in the situation of profit. But if you didn't made any profit, but you are in a loss of around $200 to $500 loss, please exit the trade for the day, because that is very important. You have to be mentally prepared for the next day, because if you have already made $1,000 loss, then you will try to recover from the next day, and that is a very bad thing. Okay, then it will affect your trading. So what you have to do is maintain a limit for the loss, so that you should not be trading in order to recover the loss. So any doubt, you can mail me. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me. If you want me to guide you, I can train you, so you can mail me for that. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.